In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rate photos with stars and color labels in Adobe Bridge. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast organizing your digital portfolio, knowing how to efficiently categorize and prioritize your photos can save a significant amount of time. Adobe Bridge offers a simple yet effective way to help you with this task by allowing you to assign star ratings and color labels to your images. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open Adobe Bridge and navigate to the folder containing the photos you wish to organize. Once you have the folder open, focus your attention on the Content panel. Here, you'll see thumbnails of your images. If you've selected more than one, that's perfectly fine. These instructions apply whether you're working with a single image or multiple files at once. If the thumbnails are too small and you can't see the star rating area, take a moment to enlarge them. It's important that the thumbnails are big enough for you to clearly see the dots where the stars will appear. Simply adjust the size so that the rating area underneath each thumbnail becomes visible. Now, let's talk about assigning a star rating. Look closely at the area just beneath the thumbnail of your selected images. You will notice a series of dots. This is where the star rating system lives. Click on the dot that corresponds with the number of stars you want to assign to your photo. For instance, if you want to give your image a 3-star rating, simply click on the third dot. It's straightforward, but very effective for quickly gauging the quality or importance of a particular photo. Next, let's cover how to apply a color label to your images. At the top of your Adobe Bridge interface, you'll find the Label menu. Clicking on this will present you with a list of label names, each linked with a specific color. These labels could be something like Approved or To Edit, providing an excellent way to visually distinguish photos based on their current status or needed action. Choose the label name that best fits your needs to apply it. Alternatively, you can right-click directly on the file or files you've selected. In the context menu that appears, hover over the Label option. You'll see the same selection of colors and label names here. Choose the one that you want to apply. This method can be a quicker way to label multiple files without navigating away from the Content panel. And that's how you can efficiently rate and label your photos in Adobe Bridge. These tools can significantly boost your workflow efficiency by making sure you stay organized and focused on the right tasks at the right time. Regularly applying these ratings and labels ensures your portfolio remains neatly categorized and your creative process stays seamless. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your photo management.